Number 8, you're going to use the rule for the translation transformation, x minus 8 and y plus 4. So we have, what is the image of this point? So here we have the pre-image points. A was 2 comma 6. It's going to undergo a transformation to produce its prime points. 2 is going to be minus 8. We know that as negative 6. And the 6 plus 4, we know that as 10. So A prime would be that. Let's look at B here. We have the pre-image of B as negative 1 comma 5. It's going to go a translation to produce P prime. The negative 1 is going to be added to the negative 8. This becomes negative 9. The 5 is going to add 4. This is going to be a 9. So that's the prime points. Here though, C and D, we are given the prime points and we want the pre-image point. So what we have here is the prime points. Okay, C prime is negative 3 comma negative 10. We're going to go backwards here to produce the C point. So this has to be applied backwards. So it's negative 3 plus 8. Negative 3 plus 8, it is a positive 5. Then we have negative 10 plus 4 becomes minus 4. And we know that negative 14. Okay, that is the pre-image. And if it undergoes that transformation, it produces those C prime points. Let's do it again. D prime is the 0.4 comma negative 3. It's going to undergo a transformation to the original pre-image points. So to do that, we have to apply the rule backwards. So the original D would be 4 plus 8. We know that as 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then the negative 3 is going to be minus 4, which is a negative 7. So there you go. Those are the pre-image points. So for A and B, when you do it traditionally, you just apply the rule. Okay? Apply rule. But if you want the pre-image with the prime points, you have to apply rule opposite. Okay? Opposite. There you go.